Today, I have some ideas I want to talk to you about if you're looking to make side money. Now, these ideas are not for people who are looking for ways to make active money. As we all know, the economy situation is not even smiling. Everyone is looking for ways to make one or two something to add to what they have. Okay, so I'll be sharing few tips on the things you should look out for if you're looking for ways to make side money. Please bear in mind that this video is only for educational purpose. I am not a financial expert in any way or any form. I am just here to share some of my knowledge with you guys. Okay, now the first one I would like to talk about is investing. Now, we have heard so much about investing. Me personally, I have heard about investing since I was a kid, but I did not really understand what all of this meant. And I did not really see someone to really educate me, how these things work. Okay, so for that reason, it took me a lot of time before I was able to get around investing. And that is one of the reasons I'm doing this video. Now, when it comes to investing, there are a number of ways you can invest your money to bring you returns, right? The first one, you can invest in fixed deposits with banks. Okay, now fixed deposit is better than savings accounts, because if you're saving your money in your savings account, that money, instead of appreciating, is depreciating, so your savings account will not do you any good. Okay, so savings account is just supposed to hold your everyday spending money, not more than that. Because if you have a huge money sitting in your savings account, you're not going to be making anything out of that money. So the best thing I would recommend is to invest in fixed deposit, even though the return that comes from this fixed deposit is usually not a lot. It's just small money that comes, from this type of investment. But I will tell you, before you invest in a fixed deposit account, make sure you go to the bank and let your bank educate you more about their fixed deposit investment. Okay, the second one I would like to talk about is treasury bills. Now, treasury bills is another way you can invest your money. Difference with treasury bills against fixed deposit account is the fact that treasury bills, you have to borrow your money to the government for them to invest. Now, the bank would, pay you your interest. Take, for instance, you have like 5 million you put in treasury bills. They are going to give you up to 15 to 20% return on investment. If you want to, keep your money with them for like 2 years, they are going to pay you, I think quarterly, like every 3 months, they are going to pay you the interests. Okay, like I said, go to your bank. If you're interested to invest in treasury bills, go to your bank and find out more about treasury bill. I personally, I still prefer treasury bills to fixed deposits investing, because the interest on treasury bills is a little higher than the fixed deposits investing. The third one I will talk about is investing your money in international companies. Getting to invest your money with Amazon, you can buy Tesla, you can buy Google, you can buy all of these international stocks. An app I would like to recommend is the Bamboo app. The Bamboo app is the one I'm very familiar with. There are also some apps you can use, but I am very familiar with the Bamboo app. That is why I'm recommending the Bamboo app. Now, the Bamboo app, you can buy international stocks on the Bamboo app. All you need to do is just to download the Bamboo app from your Play Store or your Apple Store. You register and then put in your informations, put in money, and then start investing. I would like to say that this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. The beauty of investing with some of these international companies is the fact that your investment is going to be in dollars. So even if you invest your money and the stocks of these companies you bought in did not grow drastically over a period of years, but the value of your money will not depreciate. What I mean by that is, if you buy any stocks from any Nigerian company, if the stock did not grow, you are not going to make any sort of money. You're not going to make any sort of return on the investment. But if you invest on these international companies, even if the stock does not grow, are sure that value of your money is intact, because these investments are done in dollars. And I want you to understand that when it comes to investing in stocks, it's a long-term game. It is not a short-term game. It is something you do for 5, 10, 20 years just to put money away if you have extra money to put away. Okay, investing in stock is a more stable way of investing. Now, I'm not saying nothing in this life is 100%. Like, anything can happen to any investment, right? Even land investment, government policy can come and affect a landed property. So nothing in this life is 100%. But what I'm just trying to say is, if you're looking to investing in stocks, just know that it's going to be a long-term game. Yeah, that is that about investing in international stocks. Another way you can make money through investing is investing in gold. How do you invest in gold? Now, you can buy gold from trusted gold dealers, right? You can buy gold, you can use them, you can keep them 2, 3, 4, 5 years. The value of the gold has appreciated. You can buy gold and hold. After a while, you sell your gold and you make profit on gold. Okay, that is also like a good way of, putting some money aside and making some money on your investment, because gold is also an investment. The last but not the least I would like to talk about is forex. Forex is just foreign currencies, right? You invest in foreign currencies. You can open a domiciliary account. If you have anybody abroad that is willing to exchange their dollar for naira, that is another way you can, get some dollar in your domiciliary account. And after a while, the rate of dollar in this part of the world keeps going up. Okay, if you get dollar in your domiciliary account and after a while it goes up, that is profit for you. Okay, that is another way you can make side money for yourself. I hope this video helps you if you're looking to making some small money through investing. I hope this video helps you. Please bear in mind that I am not a financial expert. I'm just sharing my little knowledge I have for investing. If you want to invest your money in any of the ways I mentioned in this video, kindly do your due diligence. Nothing is easy. Nothing just falls on your lap. Whatever you're trying to get, you have to work for it. You're looking to make money, you have to work for it. If you want to invest, you want to open a fixed deposit account, you want to do treasury bill, go to your bank and find out what the policies are, how they run their own investment. Make your research. The reason I'm doing this video is just to bring to your awareness. I know a lot of people don't know about these things. I'm just bringing to your awareness for you to know about these things and go further and make your own research. Go to banks, make research. You want to invest with bamboo, make research about bamboo. Go online, make research about bamboo, see what people are talking about bamboo before you put your money. Don't come and say Gloria said. Okay, that is all I have for you in today's video. Till I see you in my next one, my name is Gloria. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.